Whoiskingshawn is live.
What's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. So I want to bring you a quick video on Cash App's newest product called the AFTERPAY. But before, if you go down to your home page and you see right here, savings, borrow, paycheck, you could go to borrow if you're trying to look for some quick cash, no credit check, receive cash instantly. You could borrow up to $500. But today is not on that topic. Today we're going to be talking about the AFTERPAY. Now the AFTERPAY, they give you up to $800 limit, which is really good, with no credit check, no inquiry to your credit report. And you scroll right down and you go right here to the shop top brands, and then you'll be seeing the different brands that they partnered up with, like Shein, Timo, Experian, Fashion Nova, Dick's Sporting Goods, Ultra Beauty, Gap, and many others, as you see right here. Finish Line, StubHub for all those that's into sports. You're trying to see some tickets for your favorite football team. It's so many that you'll be able to. Uggs, again, Adidas. It's so many Belks. It's so many different partners that they have here. And if you don't see your favorite store, you can go right up to the search bar right here, put your favorite store and see if they partner up there. But you got an $800 limit. Again, long as you got the Cash App card, you got to have the Cash App card instantly to get approved for this product. Just to let you know. Now, if you don't have the Cash App card, they won't even give you the option to see the AFTERPAY like you see right here on mine. Again, this will be a no credit check, and you'll be doing a repayment bi-weekly. So let's say you get paid every 2 weeks. They'll set up and they'll take a certain amount out. So let's say $50 every other week, $100 every other week, $150. It depends if you max it out, or you might just use $200. We understand it's the holidays. You want to buy presents for your kids, your grandkids, girlfriend, boyfriend, cousin, aunts, and uncles. This might be a great option. You see right here, no interest, no credit check at all. Just use your Cash App accounts to log in when you check out with your AFTERPAY as a partner brand. Again, if you know about AFTERPAY, get in the comments right below and let me know what you think about it. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.